Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here, and you're riding the HRC with High Road Comics. And today is a Thor-ific Thursday, because guess what? I got a crazy unboxing. This is the first time I've ever done this on this channel, or any channel. It's the first thing like this that I've ever had. You know what? Let's just go ahead and get it over with. Go ahead and check it out. I got the Mighty Thor Diamond Select Marvel Gallery statue. So let's go ahead and check it out. You'll see here, Marvel Gallery. And you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it, because I'm gonna be an out-of-box collector on this, since I'm not allowed to be out-of-box on these. What the wife doesn't know doesn't hurt her. So let's go ahead, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. I'm gonna do a quick review. Can you see me? I don't know. So let's go ahead and, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it like that. Ooh, I don't know how to unbox these. Never did it before. I'm gonna do it. I kind of want to just post this today on Wednesday instead of tomorrow and Thursday, but just gotta do it. Just gotta. Wow. Alrighty. So, I guess it doesn't really matter. I need to keep the box for when, if I do have to move. So let's go ahead and take it out. Totally not the way to do it. Bam, bam, bam. All right, so we got this right here. Don't know what's in it. Sorry, forgot to mute the dogs. That actually scared me. So let's go ahead and check it out. These are some of the other PVC statues that they have. The Infinity War ones are pretty dope. Yeah, I think the only other one I want, besides the one I already got, that's coming next week for that unboxing, is Jane Foster Thor. I'm not trying to get all crazy. I do want a John Wick PVC diorama, but let's not get too crazy. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and cut this open. Yes. It's pretty simple. No, I'm not going to make a habit out of this. Comics are still going to be my forte. Alright. Wow. Check it out. I'm going to do it just like that. Take out the plastic and wow. Let me go ahead and zoom in on this. A little ghetto with the, you know what, I can't zoom in on it. Alright, so check it out. It's a Mighty Thor. It's not like Infinity War or anything like that, but I thought the detail was pretty great. I don't know how to review statues, so let's go ahead and just do it. So check out this cape. You can see the wrinkles in there. I think that the detail in that is pretty badass. Super big cape right there, right? I kind of just want to pick it up. Let me go ahead and pick it up. Look at his face. Angry Thor, or Strong Thor, or Mighty Thor. He really does look mighty in this case. I think he's got Mjolnir with all this electricity, and I think the way that they did it was pretty awesome. It would have been cool to have like electricity coming from Thor, you know, just like in the movies, but I think this is pretty cool enough. The detail on the grass, I thought it was like real grass, like from afar, but I think all in all this is a pretty good statue for the price, you know, less than $50. I'm gonna display it, of course. I wish I had a glass case because I don't want it to get all dusty. I don't know how to clean statues, so if you know how to, or if a good video, please let me know in the comment section below and I'll check it out. But yeah, Marvel Diamond Select. I might start pre-ordering them because if you look in the previews, which I actually don't have handy dandy, you can see that they have statues for pre-order also. So maybe hit up the LCS if there's one that you really like. But this is going to go great because what I'm going to do is do things like this, where I am going to display nice comic, maybe a modern. Whoops. No? Or maybe I want to display CGC. If you didn't see Monday's or Saturday's unboxing, yeah, you got Mighty Thor battling him. I can't wait until there's like a Zac Efron Warlock. But yeah, check it out. I think this looks pretty mighty, and when I do get a nice glass case, it's gonna be pretty cool. Now I gotta hide the box, hoping my wife doesn't notice I grabbed this. But yeah, man, I am so excited. I got this badass Thor figure. I got another one that I'm gonna showcase to you tomorrow. Actually, I want to take a look at the hammer. Let's take a look at the hammer. Ooh, look at that. Look at. You can see the writing kind of. Yep. Whosoever watches this channel. Oh, whosoever holds this hammer, if he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor. Man, bad ass. I got one now. You know that I love Thor. I mean, if my channel intro or my video intro is based on Thor, I love him. I do. So I'll be on the lookout for a Beta Ray Bill holding a Stormbreaker. That'd be pretty sweet. But yeah, I think a Jane Foster holding the hammer would be pretty badass too. But look at the detail. I know. I kind of did a review, kind of, but look at that. Like the chain, it looks metal from afar. I don't want to break it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it down. Maybe he doesn't want to face you. Maybe he's in front of you, leading the charge, or maybe he wanted a different profile shot. So check it out. Wow, that's all I got. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you want to see me get some more statues? Well, if you do, and you say yes, it's gonna be less of those and those. So I'm gonna find a nice little balance. Right now, I think what I got is going working, and if I got a little extra moolah or cash, I'm probably gonna grab more of that. But yeah, actually I like it better this way because you can see the inscription in Mjolnir. That is all I got. This is Errol from High Road Comics, and I will see you at the next stop. Forgot to hit record.